Today's lesson is about identifying point and a slope, given that you have point-slope form. So this is a new form for you all. Point-slope form is this. You're going to need to memorize it. Y minus y1, whoops, go back. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Now you have these little subscripts with them because you have a point given to you, and your point is the ordered pair xy, and your slope is the letter m. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So the first example here says given. Y minus 1 equals 2x minus 3. So, when looking at that, you now know that your m is 2 because it's in the spot before the parentheses. So your slope is 2. You know your x value is 3. And you know your y value is 1. So your point is 3, 1, and your slope is 2. Now, if you didn't get that, go back and watch that part again, because the next one's slightly different. The one to the right is given to you, and I'm going to write point slope above it. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. In this case, we know that the slope is a half, negative a half. However, if you look at this point, the point says negative 4. And what I want to point out to you is this. This here says plus 4. And when it says plus 4, you need the opposite, because point slope form says minus x1. So if this is plus 4, you need the opposite of 4 as your point. That's why it says down here, negative 4. The same thing occurs right here. This says minus y1, but it says plus 5, so you need the opposite. You have to pay attention to those things. That's why it says negative 5 here. So go back and watch that again if you're a little bit confused. So we're going to try some together. So it says, name the slope and the point. So I'm going to write under here, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So I would start off always with your slope, because your slope is always in the same spot. It is negative 2. The point, I notice this is minus, and I notice this is minus, which means I don't need the opposites. Just be careful. Make sure you put the x value first, which is 7, and the y value second, which is 9. So I don't need to change the signs or anything because it's in point slope form with minuses. So we go to number 2. I notice the m is 3/4 because it's next to your parentheses. This one's okay over here because there's a minus, but over here I need the opposite of 1 because it's plus 1. So my ordered pair would be negative 1, comma 6. Again, make sure you know why that's negative 1 versus 1. So you can pause the video and try 3 and 4, or you can continue on with me. On number 3, the slope is negative 1. I notice this is plus, so I need the opposite. I notice this is plus, so I need the opposite. Make sure you put the x value first, negative 5. The y value second, negative 4. And the last one, my slope's always next to the parentheses, negative 1/3. This one's okay. This I need the opposite. So this would be 3, comma, negative 8. So the first half of this lesson is making sure you can pull out the correct point and the correct slope. Now, we're going to pull out the correct point and slope, and we are going to graph. So it says graph the line by identifying the slope and the point. So we just practiced this. and it says the slope is -3, which because we're graphing, we have to make it a fraction. -3 over 1. So when it's negative on top, that is down 3. Positive 1 on the bottom is right 1. I notice this is negative, so I can use that point. But this one, I need the opposite. So the point would be -7, 2. Once you identify the point, you come over here and you graph -7, 2. And you use that point, you graph the point first, and then you use the slope to graph additional points. So from that point, I'm going to go down 3, right 1, put a point. 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 And remember, if you run out of room, you can always go the opposite direction. Okay? So let's try a few on the back. Number 5 says y minus 4 equals -1, x minus 6. So I'm going to write the slope as -1. But I'm going to put that over 1 because it has to be a fraction. This means I go down and right. My ordered pair, they're both negative, so I'm okay. This is 6, 4. We'll pull down my screen. There. Hold on. I don't think you all can see. Can you? Let me go up a little bit. Okay. 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 6, 4. I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Make sure I have 4 points. And I'm going to sketch a line. Okay? Let's try another. Pull back the screen. So on this one, my slope is 3/4. That means I'm going to go up and right. I notice that these are both pluses, so I need the opposite. So that would be the ordered pair, -6, -8. So I need to pull my screen down here. So I'm going to go left 6, down to 8. My slope says go up 3, right 4. Up 3, right 4. Up 3, right 4. And that's all I can get on there. Use a straight edge to sketch yourself a line. Alright? I think there's one more here, number 7. Number 7, my slope would be -1 over 3. This is down. This one is right. The ordered pair, this one's okay, but this one I need the opposite. So that would be 1, -5. Pull down my screen here. 1, -5 would be right 1, down 5. This says go down 1, right 3. Down 1, right 3. Down 1, right 3. And you would sketch your line like so. Pull it down so you can peek at it real quick. Alright? And the last one says, which point and slope shown below represents. So this again, here's a multiple choice one for you. You pull out your slope of 2. You say, this one I need the opposite of. So this would be -1, 3. It is not A. It is not B because this is positive. It is not C because that's negative. Which hopefully it's D. M is 2. -1. If you have any questions, email me and I'll do my best to help you. Good luck.